Hello guys, welcome to Talk of Web. Today we are going to discuss that how can you install Google Drive client onto your Mac so that you may easily sync your favorite files, your videos, or any sort of other documents with other devices with ease. So basically there are many benefits of using Google Drive. First of all, it is going to give you 15 GB of free storage, and the other thing is that with Google Drive you can actually sync files across a number of devices. So basically Google Drive is a sort of online hardware, storage hardware. It's an online kind of storage hardware. So you can actually access Google Drive with your browser, but that is not full of functionality. So basically this guide is about how to use it intrinsically with your MacBook. So first of all, in order to download the client of Google Drive, you will need to log in to your Drive account. So just sign in with your regular Google account, hit next, then enter your password which you use for your Google account, and then hit next. Sorry, something is wrong with my password. I hope this time I get it right. So after logging in, you are going to find My Drive. So basically this is everything which you have stored on your Google Drive account. So first of all, there is a document which is pre-uploaded on your drive for sake of guidance, and you can view this document by right-clicking and hit preview. So this is the features of Google Drive. So just like that, you can upload any PDF document, you can upload any Word file, you can upload any presentation, and then you can access it across the devices. So let's not prolong the video and get directly to the point, that how to use it directly on your Mac without the involvement of a browser. So let's close it and click on this gear icon, and then just click Get Drive for Desktop. So it is going to load a web page with a URL google.com/drive/downloads. So just click download Drive for Desktop. It is going to download the Google Drive software, which is supported by your operating system. Because for Windows it might be different, it is for the Mac, so the website is automatically detected your operating system, and it is going to download the Google Drive.dmg, which is a file specific for Mac, into your computer, which is Mac in this case. So let's wait a bit before we finish downloading, and there are many benefits. So once the Google Drive.tmg has been downloaded, just click on this arrow button and click OK. Open. So there will be a Google Drive.package. Just right click on it and click Open. So it is going to open an installation window for Google Drive onto your Mac. On the first window, just click Continue, and then just just like it is writing files, it is installing the configurations, and after a while the client would be ready, and your Google Drive storage would be accessible on your Mac. So just wait for a while before it runs the scripts and does the necessary things. After this window, the installation has been successfully completed. Just click close and move to bin, and that's fine. And next you would have to, a pop-up window will appear, and a notification badge will appear as well on your screen, which will show that service has been installed. So just sign in through your browser, and it is going to open another verification window for the client. Now this time this is for the client. So just click on your ID and just click sign in, and after the authentication, the client has been installed. So after a while, a pop-up window will appear. Just allow it to sync, press OK. A successful installation, you would notice a Google Drive icon in your taskbar of the Mac. So that's it. You have successfully installed your Google Drive on your Mac. Now you can easily change preferences. You can list offline files which might be available every time whenever you use them, because if you are out of internet at some place and you want to access some file, in that case you would need this option, because every time Google Drive is going to download the new file right through the internet. So click on the preferences, and it is going to give you all sort of tour, like it safely stores your drive, it accesses Google Drive from your computer, and you can either take the tour or you can say press no thanks. So here you can add folder from your Mac uh, which you want to sync to Google Drive. So let's suppose in case I want to sync a folder named talk of web. So in that case, I'm going to select it and I'm going to click open. So it is going to give me an option that whether you want to sync it with Google Drive or you want to upload only the photos. So if you take this option, sync it with Google Drive, so it is going to sync everything inside TOW folder right into your Google Drive. So it's done. So that folder shows here. And in case, just save the changes before you shift the screen. So the first thing we did is, like, we're trying to sync a folder named TOW into the Google Drive, which is the folder is present on our Mac. And let's do the next thing: save the preferences. Let's use let's find Google Drive files. So okay, so these are the options of different settings which you are going to get from your Google Drive application. For example, if you use the mirror file option, then it is going to store all the files in the cloud as well as on the computer. So this is a bit a counterintuitive approach. Like, you are going to have two copies of the file. One is offline, another is online. So the best thing is stream file. So stream file is actually going to use less hardware space on your Mac, and it is going to keep files temporarily into the Mac on which you are working, and the source of those files would be directly from the Google Drive. Like, if I want to narrate it simply, then the files on your Google Drive would be easily accessible, and they would be stored temporarily on your Mac, and once the work is done, they will be uploaded on the Google Drive. So if you want to save the storage, then stream files is the best option. And if you want to add a sync folder, then my MacBook Pro, and just add on the folder anything you want. So that's it. That is how you are going to uh, do the things. Another thing of consideration is that if you open a Finder window, then you can easily find my drive folder. So if you remember that once we had started using Google Drive through the link drive.google.com, there was a file getting started. So that same file is now present on your Mac OS, like on your Mac. So the My Drive folder is going to contain everything which you want to put inside your Google Drive. So suppose you want to make it available offline. So just click on it, right click on it, and then tick available offline. So there are so many things that you can actually do with Google Drive. You can make files offline. You can directly paste files here, and those will be uploaded to your My Drive section. You can select any folder inside your Mac, um, and it can be synced directly into your Google Drive. So there are a lot of possibilities. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates on tutorials, on explainers and tips related to Mac OSX, Windows, Android or iPhone.